Misty. And my ugly ass AC's in the background. Shoot. Oh, this is weird. Shelf's like right behind me. Ah. I need to block the light from my window. Damn it, dude! So, let's actually start this video now. We got... Oh, I didn't do a video last week because I was busy. I was doing some work for some clients, doing some video stuff. I'm still working on them right now. And I was just busy overall. So, didn't do that. I was planning on doing this video and then editing it that day, but it took 12 hours of work for what we did on the car. So I worked on a 2017 Acura NSX, which retails for like $170,000. So I didn't film everything. I was trying to, but I really wanted to focus and be like mentally like engaged in what the heck was going on because it's a very expensive car. I didn't want to scratch anything, mess anything up, made sure I did everything correctly. So, yeah, we just installed some downpipes on it. Doesn't do much for power wise. It makes it sound better. I think it adds like 12 horsepower, but overall just makes it sound better. We never had a chance to actually drive it or start it because we got most of the way done, and then we were transferring the secondary O2 sensor from the driver's side to the other downpipe, and when we were removing it, it totally like stripped out the threads. It wasn't our fault. It was something to do with either just like how much stress was in the O2 sensor, like heat wise, or someone at Acura over tightened it and kind of messed up those threads. So he ordered a new one. I think it was like 300 something bucks, and he got it and installed it the rest himself because it was most of the way done. We got him in, so he literally just had to like install the O2 sensor and then button everything back up. But pretty simple other than that. But it was 12 hours of work straight. Really fun, very sweet car. It's definitely my new favorite supercar. I just love the look of it. He had all the options on it. Yeah, it's sweet. So maybe next video, I don't know. We're definitely gonna do like a photo shoot, video shoot, and some test rides in the NSX at some point. But we have to schedule some times for that because he's a busy man, and I'm a busy man. So yeah, here's the video. You'll notice some of the lines. There's like I didn't talk that much either because I just didn't. I'm kind of uncomfortable with talking and filming, and usually when I film, I'm so focused on like what I want to shoot that I'm never talking. So I'm trying to like get into that habit of talking while filming, because usually when I'm filming, it's just focusing on getting B-roll. I'm not into like the whole talking while filming thing, but I need to. And you'll notice, so he had some lights in his garage, and I didn't realize it till after, but there's like waves of like black lines that go through some of the shots slowly. Especially, you'll probably notice it in the B-roll. I noticed it just from watching a few clips. I'll try and make it so they're not that noticeable, but my frame rate was kind of messed up. It wasn't messed up, it was right, but like the frequency of the lights were like overlapping, and you could see it happens with certain things. I've noticed LED related stuff, it happens, and you kind of have to adjust your shutter accordingly, but I didn't do that because I didn't notice it was a thing happening. So yeah, let's get into it. It's a short video. I didn't get a lot of footage, like I said, because I was focusing on working on the car. So here's this. I also did this new camera angle. I don't know if I like it. Biggest difference in like sound?
It's the sound difference, yeah. So everybody says this is like what takes the sound to where it should be.
Yeah.
And then if you want to get crazy, you can change the exhaust out too.
Okay. Would that make it louder, you think? From that back? Yeah. We're gonna do that later.
I don't know. See, it's got a. This is Christian. You guys have met. It's been a while.
How you doing?
You can do that, but there's the car has different modes. So it's got like quiet mode, sport plus mode, track mode, and there's actually an electronic, right. Okay. So if you're in quiet or sport, it keeps it reserved. You put it in sport plus, it opens it up, or track. Okay. So I kind of like that, because like you don't always want to be in full G mode.
Yeah. The Mustangs have that too. I've noticed the new ones.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
So, but I mean, a lot of times you're just sitting there and you want to get the exhaust, you turn it on.
Yeah. That's cool though. That's fun.
So, all right, I'm gonna go check my next step.
That looks sweet.
Whoa.
Yep.
That's amazing. She's naked.
She's naked.
Remove the absorber by lifting up and pulling away. Then, remove the 6 bolts that secure the bumper beam and free the beam from the muffler's hangers.
They don't have deck lid spoilers.
Okay.
Which I read about them. They said it provides a slight amount of downforce, but it's not like super structural.
Do they all have the lower valence on the bumper that we just took off too? I noticed they're like perfect.
Oh, they do, but they're plastic. Yeah, the guy who bought this put on every option.
Yeah.
Which I'm fine with.
Bastards. Yeah.
Disconnect left and right air intake duct by loosening hose clamp. Thank you.
There's the Terpski. Do we have to take the Cadillac converter shields off that are on?
Yes. The shields are reused between
These ones?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, they said that those.
You can't slip it off with them on though. You take them off.
Right.
We got them out. took it like halfway apart. Now these puppies doing.
Huh? Nothing?
Easy come, easy go, it's no sweat, it's no sweat. Easy come, easy go, it's no sweat, it's no sweat. Easy come, easy go, it's no sweat, it's no sweat. Easy come, easy go, it's no sweat, it's no sweat. Don't overthink things, baby, 'cause I know that you do. You've been a stranger lately, and I know that's not you. No need to fight about it. No stress, I'm good without it. Let's keep it fun and simple. You know my loving is no sweat.
So that's gonna wrap up this video. I don't think we're gonna be able to get the NSX shots next week. I'll do something else though. I did not sell my quad yet. Guy flaked out. So as soon as I do get that sold, I will be getting a new project, and I'll announce what it'll be. And then the channel will probably be based around that build. That'll probably be my subject then, because I'm trying to get back into the whole car thing, because I kind of took a break, did some motorcycle stuff, and then got into this stuff and just took a break from cars. So I'm getting back into it, and if I do, it's going to be a pretty sweet build. It'll definitely take a little bit of time to do, so I think I could definitely do that as one of my main subjects for this channel. This channel is going to be based around like cinematography, like video, photo related stuff, but then also include, like, I'm guessing most of the automotive stuff is what I'm into. So it's going to be like car based, maybe motorcycle based, dirt bikes, and just like toys around that nature, I guess. So yeah, well, I post every Wednesday, or try to at least. I didn't last week. That was like my only week I kind of skipped, but I'll think of something to film this time. Thanks for watching.